What's in the... What's... Yo, it's Samanosuke, man. I want to see what's in the box. What's in the J-List box. And I'm gonna open up with my scissors. You know, it's a little hard to open up without the cutters, so bear with me, because I want to know what's inside the box. Oh wow, things. Yeah! Let's see what's up. Now you're wondering, why am I ordering at this month? Because it's Halloween, man. You get a little special treat after you order that particular item. I don't know, it could be any item. Like you order a snack. Like I order Ooh-wee, Kit Kat. Oh, where you going? Yeah. Well, you get this little treat, little happy Halloween treat. This is actually almond nuts with green tea. It's a matcha green tea almonds, and you get this one. There's nothing in there. All it is the newspaper cushion. Well, oops, can't really show you my privacy alert. So, I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try this with when my family comes. It was so delicious. I love the sticker, by the way, man. It's still early to say trick or treat, but anyways, I must say it's almost a week left until trick or treat. So happy early Halloween, you lovely Batakus, and I'll see you then.